Hello everyone, this is Prajna from CSEB and I'm here to discuss on topics query processing issues and query execution. First of all, what is query processing? In an object database management system, query processing comprises all steps of processing a user submitted query, including its execution to compute the requested result. Usually, a user query, for example, a SQL query, declaratively describes what should be computed. Then it is the responsibility of the DBMS to determine how to compute the result by generating a query execution plan. Coming to query processing issues. Query processing methodology is in Object DBMS is similar to its relational counterpart, but with differences in details as a result of the object model and query model characteristics. Now we are going to discuss these differences as they apply to algebraic optimization and a particular problem unique to object query models, namely the path expressions. Algebraic optimization. Search space and transformation rules. The transformation rules are very much dependent upon the specific object algebra, since they are defined individually for each object algebra and for their combinations. The general considerations of the definition of transformation rules and the manipulation of query expressions is quite similar to relational systems with one particular important difference. Relational query expressions are defined on flat relations, whereas object queries are defined on classes that have subclasses and composition relationships among them. These rules only demonstrate the general idea and highlight the unique aspects that must be considered in object algebras. Search algorithm. Enumerative algorithms based on dynamic programming with various optimizations are typically used for search. The combinatorial nature of enumerative search algorithms is perhaps more important in object DBMS than in relational ones. It has been argued that if the number of joins in a query exceeds 10, enumerative search strategies become infeasible. In applications such as decision support systems, which object DBMS are well suited to support, it is quite common to find queries of this complexity. Cost functions. The arguments to cost functions are based on various information regarding the storage of the data. Typically, the optimizer considers the number of data items, the size of each data item, its organization, etc. This information is readily available to the query optimizer in relational systems but may not be in object DBMS due to encapsulation. The cost function can be defined recursively based on the algebraic processing tree if the internal structure of object is not visible to the query optimizer. The cost of each node has to be defined. Coming to path expressions. Most object query languages allow queries whose predicates involve conditions on object access along reference chains. These reference chains are called path expressions. Path expressions identify an object by describing how to navigate to it in some graph of objects. For example, the path expression p.manager.home.city might refer the city of residence of someone's manager. Path expression has been extended to support regular expressions like flexibility. XPath is an example of path expression language. Rewriting and algebraic optimization. Considering the path expression c.engine.manufacturer.name, assume every car instance has a reference to an engine object. Each engine has a reference to a manufacturer object, and each manufacturer instance has a name field. Also assume that engine and manufacturer types have a corresponding type extent. The first two links of the above path may involve the retrieval of engine and manufacturer objects from disk. The third path involves only a lookup of a field within a manufacturer object. Therefore, the first two links represent opportunities for query optimization in the computation of that path. And an object query compiler needs a mechanism to distinguish these links in a path representing possible optimization. This is typically achieved through a rewriting phase. Path indices. Substantial research on object query optimization has been devoted to the design of index structures to speed up the computation of path expressions. Computation of path expressions via indices represents just one class of query execution algorithms used in object query optimization. In other words, efficient computation of path expressions through path indices represents only one collection of implementation choices for algebraic operators, such as materialize and join, used to represent inter-object references. Query execution. When you submit a query, the query optimizer quickly chooses the projections to use, optimizes, and plans the query execution and logs the SQL statement to its log. This planning results in a query plan which maps out the steps the query performs. You can view a query plan in by embedding the query in an statement. You can also view it in the management console. The optimizer breaks down the query plan into smaller plans and distributes them to the executor node. In the final stages of query plan execution, the initiator node performs the following tasks: combines results in a grouping operations, merge multiple sorted partial result sets from all the executors, formats the results to return to the client. Thank you.